euros. That's a decent amount of money. So well done, enjoy. And once everyone is ready to move right on, well, I mean, there we go. Lever goes down, bets are closed. Thank you. Let's see what's coming our way. So, two numbers. Eyes on that one. 035, 500 on the 0. Good luck. Well, that would be 18 red, which is a voicings number. It's also low, it's also even, it's a lot of things. 941 of you got the win, so nicely done. Compliments, of course. Double V, 11,813 euros. That is significantly more than the previous win of 8.3 thousand, I believe. Not bad at all, not bad at all. So, congratulations, compliments, well done. Ciao, love is down, bets closed. So, now that that's been done, we are, of course, moving on. Three numbers, my fair people. 14, 28, and 30, 250 and 200. Good luck. Double strike on 14. That's a 1.5 thousand, people. Good luck. 17 black, ladies and gents. We found the wrong Orphalines number. Still, yeah, low, odd, 1021.
Vecino el cero, enhorabuena a todos los ganadores. Apuestas abiertas. ¿Qué contáis, gente? ¿De dónde nos estáis viendo? ¿Algún argentino por aquí o qué? Argentinos siempre sois mis favoritos. Apuesta cerrada, suerte. Un 22, Pedro. ¿Solo lo estás metiendo al 22, Sara? Número premiado, 5 rojo, impar, falta, segunda columna, primera docena. Sección tercios, enhorabuena a los ganadores, lo siento, Sara. No sé.
Well done, everybody. Enjoy the victories, and I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, so 36 wins. Tea with milk just, I don't know, just doesn't go together. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't good as well, you know. It was drinkable, but not enjoyable. No more bets. Good luck. So yeah, I need my good old tea with some sugar. Sugar showed in my tea. Anyway, 1232, 300x, and 50x. Into the biggest number again, back to back, same number as last time, 36 is it. Well done, champions. Congratulations on the winning. Great. Ado, Abu, Warden, Muhammad, and FTH and SNC. You got it, man. You got it. Hi, Prakash. Welcome to the game. Welcome to Lightning Roulette. Ready to play? Well, say less. Let's make some money. Lightnings. The timing is getting better, right? 12, 17, 23, 300x. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, it's the same score, 36. We just cannot get out of the 36. It's for the third time. Three times it's the champ. 36, back to the back. 1,127 winning this round. Well, I would assume probably not many of you changed the bet, so same winners 3 rounds in a row. So how about that? You got lucky. You got lucky big time. Others didn't, but you did. Alright, well, doesn't matter. I'm gonna get 36 anyway. 23, 28, 29, 150x. So it is different. It's 0 that wins and brings the money home. Well done, lads. 984 Championes. Money is yours. Profit of 30 to 1 if you play with a straight up. If you play with a straight up, you got opportunity to win multipliers. The lightnings. The whole shtick. The whole thing that is this game. Lightning numbers. Only one way is the straight up. Good luck. Every number. Whew. What about every number? Every number is cool, yeah? 030, 100x, 50x. $16 wins, red, low and even. Shout out to the game winners, y'all did it, y'all got it, y'all deserved it. Good job. Does anyone watch anime? What kind of anime do you watch, guys? Attack of Titans, One Piece, Chainsaw Man, Ergo Proxy, or I don't know, you name it. I don't know any anime. Those are the only ones I know. Those are the only ones I know. I don't watch anime. But slowly getting into it. 616, 50x and 100x. Alright lads, that's gonna be 4 black. First column, first dozen, a low number 948. Winners, congratulations. Well, another betting time is open. What do y'all think? Shall we go for it? Well people, that is the betting grid, of course. Always behind me, chilling and moving, and 8 is moving. 8 is moving, I don't know. 8 caught my eye. Has a lot of money on it. Biggest straight back combo. Well, 0, well it always shakes. 1932, 100 on both. $17 black. Odd low, second column, second dozen. 17. 1,087 winners. Woo! Congratulations. New betting time. 1 seconds. Hard cold numbers, last winning numbers. They had a section to play with. All of that is at the bottom right side as well. Check it out. For sure that's gonna change the way you want to play. If not, well, don't bother. Don't bother. Here we go with 31, 32, 36. 200x biggest. And that ball is in. Number 3. Red low, third column, first dozen, bada bim, bada boom, and it is cold as well. Yeah, that's an iceberg, the tip of the iceberg we just got out here. 3 reds. It's cold. Yeah, actually today was pretty warm. I came to the Riga city, and I was pretty hot, so I decided just to go and buy an ice cream. Bought it, went to the park, sitting in the park eating ice cream. What a great start of the day. Oh, I liked it, I liked it. Haven't had an ice cream in a very long time as well. 23, 36, 100, and 50x. $16, low number, reds, and second dozen. Congratulations, people! You just won a game. Betting time's over again. Are you ready? I'm just chilling, waiting for you. Place your bets. I'ma pull the lever. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go. Best of luck. Pull them down here. 057, low numbers, 150x. $22 black. First column high score. Wait, did I not mention 4? Anyway, 22 black, even high. I feel like I skipped that one. Sorry. 950 winners. Congratulations. You like 13? Oh, that's my favorite number as well. That's my lucky number. Just in life, you know. I get to do. I don't know. I got to choose a number. For example, in the Formula 1 when I was playing the game, 13 all the way. I gotta pick a jersey with a number on it. 13. Let's go. 1825. But well, 150x on 8. 50x on 25. Alright, 26, black, high, and even number 26. 1,122 winners of the game. Congratulations, catch you in the next round. last seconds. Welcome newcomers. If you want to win these lightnings that the whole game is about, right? You have to play straight up bets. Remember as well, they pay out 30 to 1, just for your information. And every game from 1 to 5 numbers we can get out here. In this case we got 2, with a multi under it, 114, 100x. $24 black, high and even number, hot number, 24. 992 winners. Well, that's just amazing. Well done, VV, Beckham, Yim, GK, Abu. Well done. Top 5 winners. Well, in case you need live support, that is located next to the chat headphone button. Click on it, tell them your issue, and get it sorted out. No more bets. Alright, so we got 15, 18, 22. 100x biggest multiplier. And it goes into the 30. Tier section, red number, high number, 30. 30 for the win. 912 game winners. Mr. 22, I don't understand that question. I don't understand. Can you ask it in a different way? Alright people, thank you for joining in. Good luck. Alright, so 2 lights, 626, 50x and 100x. $11 black, second column low number, forward as well. Ooh, alright, well that was a good round, look at that. Everybody winning 2,000 and a lot of money there. Well, it makes sense, 11 is shaken, big straight back combination, a lot of money on it, a lot of winners, a lot of money on the top 5 there. So guys, do you have any plans for this next upcoming weekend? I think it's Formula 1 coming back on the weekend, so that is something I will be excited. Oh, I'm finally, yes, I'm so excited. 14, 19, 23, 29, 500x on 90. $23. Red, high, odd, and with a big, juicy, beautiful 300x. You got it. We got it. You got it. 439 people got it. Bigger victory, 300 times bigger. I mean, look at that. 26,000, 17, 9, 6, and 4, 5, actually. Wow. Well, there you go, lads. There you go. 300 times bigger. All right. 23 for the win. Actually, 23 has been bringing out the biggest multis for the whole day, I think. Cannot remember them all, but 23 I do remember before already. 16, 31, 34, 100x. Boom, 24 black, high and even number, hot number. One of the hottest in the game, right at this moment. Well done, people. You did amazing. Got the profit. Let's do it again. Let's double it, triple it, quadruple it. Autoplay repeat bottom right, pass limit top left. Bottom left you can see all your money, your balance, your bread, your hard-earned gambled money. 20, 26, 35, 300x biggest multiplier. $23 is back again, this time without a friend, this time without the multi, but it is winning, and it is 1,076 of y'all game winners. Thanks, man, I needed it. Let's go, Zach. I told you, you deserved it, you got it, well played. Now we can breathe again a little bit, Zach. Listen, if it made everything equal, well then, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. But if it made profit, maybe take some money out, leave some in, win-win situation. Well, Abo, gamble responsibly. Gamble responsibly. That's your money, your choice. 521.32, 100x. 34 red. First column high score, red 34. Congratulations. Please say hello to my little friend.